Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to disable DMs on Instagram. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. First of all, open up Instagram app. After that, go to your profile. Then go to menu and select settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, we need to search for messages and story replies. Then tap add message controls, and that's where we can configure who can send us message. Let's say we can get into your followers on Instagram, and that's where we can turn off getting messages from our followers on Instagram simply by choosing don't receive request. And the same about the three categories of users like Facebook friends or people you have chatted with on Messenger. Friends of Messenger, people with your phone number. You can just get in the each of that category and switch it to don't receive request. That's how you can easily disable DMS on Instagram. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching.